Hello, I'm Tania Miller. Today, I have something fun for us, a little unboxing and an honest review of a traveling brush set that the brand ARTIFY sent me to try. But here is the twist. I'm not just going to open a box and say, oh, pretty brushes. I'm going to show you exactly how I get to know a brand new brush, any brush, using my essential brush practice sheets. So, by the end of this video, you'll know how to test any brush you own and why these little practice pages might just be the most useful thing in your whole watercolor kit. And in case we are just meeting, I'm the creator of those essential brush practice sheets. More on that in a minute. So let's open this up. ARTIFY sent me this traveling set to try out, and I promise you my honest thoughts. The good and anything I'm not crazy about. Now, as gorgeous as these are, I want you to hear me say this clearly. You, at home, use what you have. You do not need this set or any fancy set to begin. Everything I teach starts with what's already in your hands, which brings me to my brush practice sheets. Let me tell you what they are and why they matter so much to me. These sheets can be used to practice all kinds of mediums, wash, acrylics, even oils. But I created them thinking about watercolor. They are such a beautiful way to start. Here is why I love them. Instead of staring at a blank page, not knowing how or where to begin, you have this soft, light gray guides to follow. That little bit of guidance changes everything. Because here is what I see all the time. So many beginners are afraid to use their precious 100% cotton watercolor paper or even a more affordable watercolor paper just to practice brush strokes. And that fear has paralyzed so many women from starting. And not only from starting, from even wanting to learn. When you are so worried about ruining the good paper, you start avoiding things without even realizing it. And that, my dear friend, is how we quietly get in the way of our own growth. So, if you want to start with watercolor, if you want to try your brushes, really get to know them and build your confidence. Go download my free essential brush practice sheets, print them out, and start your watercolor journey today. Okay, let's actually put this to work. I'm going to test the ARTIFY brushes on the first two practice sheets, and I'll show you the other two in a minute. First thing, and this is important, the practice sheets are for you to get to know what you have, to test your brushes, or any new brush you get your hands on. So, watch what I do with the page itself. Move the page as you need. Rotate it. Find a natural way for you to make each stroke. If a stroke feels awkward one way, turn the page. There is almost always an angle that feels better in your hand. That's the only way you start to learn what you like, what your hand prefers, and what you can and can't do with a specific brush. And look, you can get completely different shapes just by moving the brush in different ways. Now please hear me this. You do not have to match the exact shape on the sheet. Those light gray guides are only a guide. See here. The guide starts with a nice round shape and ends in a fine point. But this brush isn't giving me a perfect round at the beginning, and that is exactly the beauty of the soft gray. I can paint right on top with total confidence and just notice and appreciate the kind of a stroke this brush actually gives me. No pressure, nothing wrong. A few things that make this practice so much richer. Use the colors you reach for the least or the most affordable watercolors you own. This is practice. Save your favorites and your fancy paints for your real pieces. Even better idea. You know that leftover paint sitting in your palette from your last project? The one you were about to rinse away? Don't clean it yet. Use it. With just a little water, there is almost always enough left there for a whole page of practice. Play with different values too. A light, a medium, and a dark of the same color That's a sneaky good way to see the different tones. Your eye gets sharper without you even trying. And mix it up. Try different colors combinations and different line thicknesses. Thin, thick, everything in between. Honestly, these little sheets can be way more useful than you think. Here are the other 2 pages. Same idea, just more strokes to explore. Once you've worked your way through all 4, you'll feel so much more at home with your brushes. Now I want to be really clear about something, because it matters. These practice sheets are for practicing your brushstrokes, not your technique. Those are 2 different things. For technique, your washes, your wet on wet, your blending, there is nothing better than real watercolor paper. And if it's 100% cotton, even better. Now, there is absolutely nothing wrong with using watercolor paper that isn't cotton. But let me tell you, the difference in how the water moves and behaves on the paper is huge. You'll feel it the moment you try it. And one more thing. You can print as many of these pages as you need, as many as you want. But here's another option I love for losing the fear of the blank page. Once you are feeling comfortable, keep going on plain paper without the soft gray guides. Little by little, you get used to it, and that fear of the empty page just fades away. Back to these ARTIFY brushes. Now that I've actually put them to work, here's my honest take. These ARTIFY travel brushes are one of my new favorites. Affordable, great quality, and perfect for beginners. They come in the 3 sizes I always recommend. Small enough for detail, big enough for soft washes, just right for the 9 by 12 paper most beginners start on. They feel sturdy in your hand, the bristles have a nice snap, and they hold their shape even after hours of painting. The little travel bag keeps them safe too. If you want a set to start with, my dear friend, this is a beautiful place to begin. Okay, let's bring it home. Whether you have a brand new set like this one or the brushes you've loved for years, get to know them. Download those free practice sheets, use the paint you already have, move the page around, and let go of perfect. That's where the fun lives. That's where confidence comes from. If you want me to show you what to paint once you are comfortable with your brushes, I have something coming I think you're going to love. Make sure you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep playing.